There are also two release processes, biometrics and manually. This video is for the biometric release process. The release of the inmate process involves mainly only 3 steps. The generation of the release body list. The identifying of the inmates via their fingerprints. Lastly, releasing them out of the facility into the custody of the police. To generate the release lists, from the front page, select the Release menu. Select then the Generate List menu. This will open the Release List Generate page. Select the date to generate the lists for, and click the Generate button. The system will select all inmates scheduled for release on that day, and create the different release lists. The release reports can be viewed and printed from this page. Select the relevant lists and click on the Print button. In this case, one of the inmates has an extra warrant, and therefore a G344 is also printed. The body release list lists the 2 inmates to be released today. Note that the first inmate on the report has the G344 indicator on this report. The second step is to verify the identity of the inmates being released. Click on the Verify Identity menu. Select the release list by clicking on the biometrics link. The biometrics page will list all the inmates linked to the release list. The inmate's fingers are scanned, and the system will compare the fingerprint and confirm or reject the inmate. Inmates' fingers are scanned one after the other. This will all be done on a separate PC, specifically set up for this step. Note that the system will indicate if the inmate has assets, valuables, that are in storage. The third and last step is the final release of the inmate out of the facility and system. Select the Exit Inmate menu. Select the release list by clicking on the biometrics link. As with the identifying process, the inmate's fingers are scanned, one after the other, and the inmates are released from the system. Some releases will not be allowed if the inmate still has assets not returned to the inmate. Thank you.